Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out a blender that promises to make meal prep easier, quieter, and more efficient. The PowerXL SensiMax Blender with the personal to-go cup. It's got some smart technology under the hood, so if you're in the market for a blender that adjusts to your ingredients and takes the guesswork out of your smoothies, this one could be on your radar. Let's get into what makes this blender tick and whether it lives up to its claims. The PowerXL SensiMax Blender stands out with its smart sensing technology, which is designed to automatically detect the ingredients you're working with. Whether you're blending fresh fruits or frozen veggies, the blender adjusts its power and speed in 5 seconds, optimizing the blending process for the perfect consistency. This hands-free functionality promises to make meal prep not just quicker, but more foolproof, especially for those who don't want to babysit their blender while it does its job. Along with the automatic sensing, you get 3 main functions: ice crush, smoothie, and chop, giving you the versatility to tackle everything from icy drinks to hearty soups. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for larger batches, while the 24-ounce personal blending jar makes it easy to whip up a single serving or take your smoothies on the go. Now, let's talk power. This blender features a 1500-watt peak motor, which sounds impressive for something in this price range. The 6-tip turbo crush blade is designed to make short work of crushing ice, blending frozen fruit, and ensuring your smoothies come out smooth and well blended. You get 10 speed settings, so whether you need a slow chop or full throttle ice crushing, this blender can meet those needs. The quieter blending technology is another nice touch. There's less noise without sacrificing power, making it a good choice for those who might not want to wake up the whole house with an early morning smoothie. In terms of real-world testing, this blender does indeed perform as advertised. The smart sensing technology does a great job detecting the texture of what's inside, and the adjustment happens so quickly that it feels like you're blending effortlessly. I tried blending a mix of frozen fruit, spinach, and yogurt for a smoothie, and the results were smooth, creamy, and well blended without any chunks or unevenness. The ice crush function really stood out. Throw in some frozen cubes, and it breaks them down fast, creating perfectly crushed ice for a slushy texture. The chop function also works well, allowing for controlled cuts for things like onions or garlic if you're prepping for soups or salsas. One thing I really appreciate about this blender is how easy it is to clean. Both the 72-ounce pitcher and the 24-ounce personal blending jar are dishwasher safe, along with the turbo crush blade. This feature makes cleanup quick and hassle-free, especially for those who don't want to deal with scrubbing blades or the base after every use. After a few uses, it's clear that this is a practical blender designed for convenience. On the flip side, while the blender is powerful, it can be a little on the bulky side. The 72-ounce pitcher is large, which is great for big batches, but not everyone might need that much capacity. The noise reduction technology works, but it's still not as whisper quiet as some of the more premium blenders out there. If you're sensitive to noise or plan to use this in a shared space, it might not be the quietest option, but it's certainly quieter than many others in the same power range. When it comes to value for money, the PowerXL SensiMax Blender is priced competitively for a blender with this level of power and versatility. At this price, you're getting a well-rounded machine with smart features, high wattage, and a personal blending jar that's great for on-the-go convenience. It's priced similarly to other mid-range blenders, but the addition of smart sensing technology and quieter operation sets it apart. That said, there are other blenders that might offer slightly better performance or features at a similar price point, but the convenience of hands-free blending and the quieter operation is something you might not get in a comparable machine. In comparison to similar blenders, the PowerXL SensiMax Blender stands out with its smart sensing technology, which is not something you see in every blender. Many of its competitors rely on manual speed adjustments, which means you need to keep an eye on things. The 1500-watt motor, while not the most powerful on the market, is certainly powerful enough to handle most kitchen tasks without breaking the bank. Some blenders in the same range might offer more features like heated blending or more precise control. But if you're looking for a straightforward, effective blender, the PowerXL SensiMax gets the job done. Build quality is solid, with a sturdy pitcher and well-constructed blades. The materials feel durable, and the motor's performance seems like it will stand up to regular use. While we don't have long-term testing data yet, the reputation of PowerXL's previous products suggests that this one should hold up well over time. As for customer support, I didn't have to interact with them directly, but PowerXL has a decent track record for addressing issues when they arise. To wrap it up, the PowerXL SensiMax Blender is a solid choice if you're looking for a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-use blender with some innovative features. It excels in areas like convenience, quiet operation, and smart sensing, which makes it ideal for busy mornings or families looking to make meal prep more efficient. While it's not perfect, especially if you're looking for something ultra quiet or with more premium features, it's a well-rounded performer that delivers on its promises. If you're in the market for a blender that offers good value without breaking the bank, this one might be a great fit for you. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more in-depth reviews like this. If you've tried this blender or have any questions about it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Reviews Inside TV, you'll always get the scoop on the best products. See you next time!